Hello, I'm Gandararat. Welcome to my vlog. On this video, Gandararat Jen will do acrylic nails. This is his first work. We use Born Pretty acrylic. But before we start, of course, let's intro first. Well, start. The nail needs to be rough for the acrylic to stick. That is the first step. Make sure that all the nail rough, so that your work is beautiful. Let's proceed to the next step. You need to use a dehydrator because if there is anything wet or oily, it will be removed. Don't forget to apply all the nails. This is the one we will use, that is acrylic. His brand is Born Pretty. Let's continue, so stay tuned, keep on watching. It's really hard the first time, but that's not the reason to give up. Even if it's hard, if you work hard, you will get it. Gandararat Jen complained because we don't have any more acrylic brushes. What are you doing, Gandararat Jen? Oh my God, not good. He repeated because it was wrong. It's the second time, but we shouldn't give up just fighting. Oh my God, the brush not good for acrylic. Not reason to give up. No matter what happens in your life, don't give up. It's the same with work to achieve your dream. So work hard. Oh my God, it's like the first time she did it. Just watch. No one will leave. Let's see what the result is. I looked at it and I was surprised because I was as fat as I am. Oh my God. I said remove the ugly one. He removed the acrylic from the nail, but not the paper. As usual, it will start well. is the third time she do. The third time is still the same. It's not good. But when you never give up, you can do it, Gandararat Jen. I hope she gets the fourth test. We have a saying that nothing is difficult for the good. Finally, it's good. Did I say that there's nothing difficult about being good? If she gave up, she wouldn't have learned. Did I surprise you? I cut the video because it was too long. Wow, you got it too. Congratulations, Gandararat Jen. I told him I want my nails to be almond-shaped. And this finished with color and nail art. In any challenge of life, you will never give up. Think that you can. If you do it, you will learn and you will get it. From your mistakes, you will learn, right? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.